In this video, you're going to learn how to spy on your AdWords competitors with an amazing free tool called SpyFu. Now, this will tell you a ton of information like how much they're even spending on AdWords per month, what are the keywords that they're spending the most money on, and what are their most profitable keywords. And this is incredible information to know because you can really look at their strategy. They've obviously spent a lot of money trying to figure this stuff out, and you can really take it and apply it to your own business. And that will cut down the learning curve incredibly for you. And also it just helps you become a lot more profitable quicker because you don't have to go through all the mistakes. Essentially, you want to model the competition, and this tool will give you that inside information that they don't even reveal to themselves. And I'm going to show you how they get from this information. It's really, really smart. So the first step, and really the only step to use this tool, is to enter your competitor's website to get started. So you might be not clear on who your competitors are. So what you want to do is come into Google and then type in your product name, the topic that you want to appear at the search engines or rank for. And then up, we're going to pop the competitors in the ads here. So these people are already spending money on Google AdWords. That's why they're appearing here at the top of the search results, and we can see ad on the side. So what you can do is just even take the top result to get started, copy that, and then paste it into the tool. Now this is where it gets really cool because we can see a monthly overview of this particular domain. So over here on the left hand side, we can see the organic search. So these are the terms that they're appearing in the search engines for organically without paying for. This is through their SEO. And we can see that they're ranking for 7,000 keywords. That brings them an estimated monthly clicks of 50,000 clicks. And that is worth a value of them estimated of 140,000. Now that is incredible to show because even if you're working in SEO, you can show the value of it to a different company that you start to work for. You can show them this tool, say, look, your competitors are ranking for these keywords. This is estimated what's a value to them for. So that's really incredible to know. And you can even come in and open up this report. And without even logging in and absolutely free, you can see the top most valuable keywords for them that they rank for free. You can even see the positions of those and roughly how much that is worth for them. Now you do obviously have to log in or maybe sign up to see all the results, but I still think this is incredible information to get for free. It really is a remarkable tool. Now that is we get some information here about how they're ranking in the search engines using SEO for free. Now over on the right hand side, we have really information about their paid search. So these are the keywords that they're actually paying to be at the top of the search results for. And the cool thing here is really interesting to note straight away is that they're only paying for 700 keywords. So you can look across and you can see, wow, that's actually like almost exactly 10%. And so these must be the most valuable keywords. If they are paying for these must be the most profitable for them to appear at the top of the search results for. And if we open this up again, we can see a preview of what those keywords are, even how much it costs per click, the monthly cost that they spend on them. So we can see the breakdown of the budget, the monthly searches, their ad position, the total number of ads, etc. So even just coming in here and saying, okay, well, I typed in digital marketing courses, but they're also paying to appear for digital marketing courses online, digital marketing certification, curriculum development. So that's not something I would have thought of straight away, but obviously you can see this reveals the most profitable keywords in this report. So we can see that their estimated budget then is about $5,000. And this can just help really formulate your strategy really quickly by just looking at competitors. Now scrolling down the page a little bit more, we can see their competition in terms of organic and paid. And again, we can click into, say, all of these tools. And we're going to go a level deeper and really get the same report for them as well. So amazing, amazing tool. You can start with one competitor and figure out a whole lot of information about other competitors. You can see the shared keywords, etc. Now you might be wondering, How do they actually get all this information? Obviously, this Digital Marketing Institute is not just going to hand over this information and say, here's our most profitable keywords and this is how much we spend and here's our exact strategy, just take it. Obviously, they're not going to do that. So how does this tool get the information? Well, it's really smart. What they do, and if we open up the paid keywords report, is they actually take a screenshot of pretty much every page on Google. So if we come into the keyword, we click the down arrow, view cached SERP, so the search results, we can see that they've taken a screenshot, and that in this screenshot they see that this company is advertising here, and then they scrape that data, obviously put it into their database, and they know that they're paying for that keyword and the position that they're ranking, etc. So it's a really sophisticated and a pretty complex system that they've set up. But what it means really for you is that you can come into this tool, really get an insight into your competitors, see how much they're spending, see what keywords they're spending on, see what the most profitable ones are. It's a really amazing tool. If you use it, I guarantee you, you're going to cut your learning curve in half in terms of forming your own AdWords strategies, and you're going to save a ton of money because you don't have to waste a lot of money figuring out how it all works. Just look at maybe 2, 3, 5 competitors. You'll have a much clearer strategy before you even open an AdWords account.